Homemade flatbreads are so easy to make and they're super versatile. We're going to show you how to make the best flatbreads. To start off with, get 250 grams of self-raising flour and place this into a large bowl. To this, add 200 grams of Greek yogurt. Next, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Start mixing it together with a spoon until it begins to form a dough. Once it's mostly combined, you can switch to using your hands. Place the dough onto a countertop that has been dusted with some flour and continue to knead until the dough is smooth and elastic. This should take about 5 minutes. Once your dough is nice and smooth, cover it with a kitchen towel and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Whilst the dough is resting, we're going to make a spiced butter mix, which is key to making the most delicious flatbreads. So to a small bowl, add some oregano, salt, chili powder and ground cumin, then give this all a good mix. To this, add 30 grams of melted butter and mix well. Leave this to one side for later. Now that our dough has rested, it's time to shape our flatbreads. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces and roll each piece into a thin circle about 1/4 of an inch thick. Don't worry if they're not perfectly round, they'll taste amazing either way. To cook our flatbreads, we're going to heat a pan over a medium to high heat. Once it's hot, you're going to place your flatbread into the pan and cook on each side for about 1 to 2 minutes until you see bubbles forming and the bread is nice and golden brown. Cook it on both sides and then top with that herb and butter mix. And there you have it, fresh homemade flatbreads. These are perfect with a dip, or use them as wraps, or even use them as naan.